This recipe is perfect for a nursing mom. Hello lovelies, today I share fresh and dry catfish pepper soup that you can pair with white rice or boiled yam. It sounds delicious, right? If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's start cooking. First, I will add hot water into my already cleaned catfish and allow it to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I will take it to my sink and rinse it properly. The hot water will help to take out the slime and to firm the fish up so that it doesn't break while cooking. Next, I will wash my dry catfish with hot water and transfer in my cooking pot. I will proceed by blending my peppers, ginger and onions. Once I'm done blending, I will transfer it in my cooking pot. For my pepper soup spice, I'm using ehuru and black pepper. I'm going to blend and transfer in my cooking pot. I will be making use of this because I love the aroma in my pepper soup. I think it's called starfruit. If I'm not correct, please write the name in the comment section. Thank you. Next, I will go in with my seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning, salt and crayfish. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. At this time, our pepper soup is almost ready. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I will go in with my scent leaf and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. And our pepper soup is ready. You can serve it with rice or boiled yam. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. Thank you and always be positive, and see you in my next one. Bye.